Hi guys, and welcome to my channel Craftiella. My name is Gabby, and today I will be showing you guys how I make my heart-shaped rosettes using my Cricut. So I will be sharing a cut file. Okay, so we're basically gonna import our file into our program. Here I'm showing in the Cricut design space. So when you get the file, you get two files. This one is a solid score, which helps when you have the score tool in your Cricut, and it's just kind of tedious that you have to switch all of those lines from cut to score, but you only have to do it once and you save it and it will stay like that. And so these are all score lines now in the Cricut, and these fit perfectly in an 8.5 by 11 sheet. Of course you can resize it to whatever size you need, but I just love the size of this one. And here you have the dash score line. For example, if you have a silhouette that does the dash scores, then that one is perfect for you to use. Today I will be cutting out both so you guys can see the difference on how they look. So here I'm showing you the one I cut in my Cricut and scored with the solid score tool, and you can really tell, and this is how the dash scores look like. So you can really tell that the Cricut scored it because it's not too deep, but it's just perfect for me, and I'm already used to the scores that the Cricut does. So sorry for being out of frame here, but all I'm doing is doing mountain fold, valley fold, and in the right side you want to do the mountain fold, and on the left you're going to do the valley fold first. Hope that makes sense. But here I'm showing you more or less what I mean, and then you're just going to keep folding mountain valley, just like you would a regular rosette. Okay, and that's what it looks like. So you have your right side and your left side, and then I'm doing the same thing to the dash score lines. As you can tell, it's a lot easier with the dash score lines. I just don't really like the white look you get when the paper is cut, but it's not that bad. So for the top part, I'm adding glue to the left part of the rosette and gluing it under the right part. I hope that makes sense, but if you guys have any questions, please leave me in the comment. And for the bottom, you get the right part, you're gonna glue behind the left part, so just like that. And I'm gonna do it again right now because I know that was out of frame. And here I'm carefully flipping the rosette over so that the design part is on the outside, and here I'm gonna glue the other rosette. So my cutting file comes with a circle and a heart, so you guys can assemble your rosettes, but I'm using my punches right now. So what I do is I put my circle punch in my mat, and then I scrunch my rosette onto the circle, and it helps because I can control the shape of my heart rosette, and it just comes out so pretty. I'm just obsessed with this part. And I just put on the top, you can embellish however you like, but I'm just putting a glittered heart on this one. And here I am doing it again. So scrunch your rosette as you would a regular rosette, and here you could just shape it and wiggle it. So here I'm just showing you guys how I'm gonna embellish this rosette, and you guys can just go wild and embellish to your liking. I really love putting some banners, just layering some hearts on top and on the bottom of this heart rosette. This is one of my favorite embellishments this year. So here I'm going to show you how my embellishments look. I just love them, you guys. I'm obsessed with these. And like I said, you can embellish how you like. So I'm just giving you guys here what I've been doing. And the file is going to be able to be downloaded for free from my blog, which I will link down below. Make sure you guys comment and tag me if you try these out. And hope you guys have fun making these and have a happy Valentine's Day until the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.